Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on VLive application using iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you download VLive application on your Android device or your iPhone and tap it open. From the first interface, tap on Find Your Star button. Allow necessary permissions for VLive by tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Tap Get Started at the bottom of the page, and now you can sign up for your account with your Facebook account, with your Google account, or with your Apple account. You can also continue signing up with Line, Naver, and Twitter. In my case, I'm going to continue with my Google account. Give it a tap and tap on the Continue button. This will take you to the Google account's website. Choose your account from the options, or you can also use any other account of your choice. Type in your email or your mobile number for your Google account and tap Next. Now, enter your Google account's password as well. You can double check your password by tapping on the Show Password box. Or, if you are using a public device, you should leave it unchecked for your security. After you type in your Google account's credentials, tap the Next button. Agree to the terms of use and privacy policy by tapping on the circles and tap on Agree at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for VLive application right away. You'll land in the home page as soon as you're done. That way, you can easily sign up for VLive using your iPhone. VLive is a South Korean live video streaming service that allows celebrities based in the country to broadcast live videos such as live chat sessions with fans, performances, reality shows, and award shows throughout the internet. That was how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.